The fact is this impression of a washing machine. And I will give Maharashtra as the best example. Ajit Pawar was accused by Devendra Fadnavis, by the Prime Minister, of massive corruption. He's now on your side. All the cases against him disappear, and Rohit Pawar is being interrogated by the ED in the same case, but no mention of Ajit Pawar. I mean, ये public है, ये सब जानती है संजू जी, अंदर क्या है, बाहर क्या है, सब कुछ पहचानती है. Let's not. Your laughter suggests that you also know what's happening.
Okay. अरे राजदीप जी, आपकी डिबेट में आपका शायराना अंदाज देखकर मुझे हंसी आ रही है, और आपके शायराना अंदाज के रिबटल में मैं भी थोड़ी शायरी करना चाहती हूँ. Before I what Riju Datta has to say. वो जो प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा था, तुम्हारे पांव के नीचे जमीन नहीं है, रेफरिंग टू अ डेबिलिटेटेड ऑपोजिशन, पार्डन मी, तुम्हारे पांव के नीचे जमीन नहीं है, लेकिन कमाल तो ये है तुम्हें यकीन नहीं है. लेकिन कमाल तो ये है तुम्हें यकीन नहीं है. And I'll tell you why the Prime Minister referred to the opposition, a fractious and vanquished opposition, in these terms. ये जो बार बार कहते हैं ED has been weaponized. अरे भाई साहब, पार्था चैटर्जी, the ex IT minister and education minister of Mamata Banerjee, is cooling his heels in the jail. Anupratta Mandal cooling his heels in the jail. Malay Ghatak, law minister, sent to judicial custody. Abhishek Banerjee, nephew of Mamata Banerjee, facing trial in the cash for jobs.
No. Malay Ghatak is not arrested. Neither
He's not been arrested, but Riju, 1 minute. I will fact check.
Wrong facts. I'm not cutting him.
Can I finish?
Yeah, please finish.
Can I finish?
Yes.
Thank you. Riju Datta trying to correct me on facts. So let me tell him. He said if you're a foul-mouthed person, you will become a spokesperson in BJP. And in the Trinamool Congress, if you're a hooligan, if you're a goon, then obviously you're going to take forward the Trinamool Congress legacy, and that is exactly what you guys do. And this,
ma'am, I asked you just a minute, ma'am. No, Sanju ji, I asked you a simple question. Give me an explanation why Ajit Pawar is accused of corruption when he's in the opposition and the ED doesn't go to his house in government. I want a straight answer. ना इधर की बात ना उधर की बात. Please answer my question. I'll give you 1 minute.
राजदीप सरदेसाई जी, प्रॉब्लम आपकी ये है कि सच्चाई सुनने की आप में क्षमता नहीं है.
मेरे पे बहुत है मैडम, मेरे कबड़ में कोई स्केलेटन नहीं है. आप
शांत रहिए, सुनिए. सुनिए अभी. आई एम बीइंग वेरी पोलाइट, विनम्रता से कह रही हूँ, सुनिए. You believe in the Constitution, Rajdeep Sardesai?
Yes.
You believe, I'm sure, in the judicial process. You believe in the Supreme Court, correct?
Yes.
Now, Rajdeep Sardesai, as a bona fide Indian citizen, under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution, has the right to file a habeas corpus petition in the Supreme Court saying, "Arey bhai sahab, ED and CBI have been weaponized by the BJP. As a bona fide Indian citizen who believes in the Constitution, I believe Ajit Pawar and Rohit Pawar should be investigated." हिम्मत है राजदीप सरदेसाई तो habeas corpus petition Supreme Court में file कीजिए. Then you and me will have a debate on that.
Okay.
Now coming to the
That's, you don't need a habeas corpus petition for that, ma'am. Do not mislead the audiences. I'm asking you a simple question. Why is it that a leader who was accused of corruption at the highest level by your party leadership is now not being investigated? That's what leads people to believe you're using the ED as a washing machine.
Please.
I'm asking, you are not answering me. You've not answered me.
I'm answering that. Give me 30 seconds. Why do you get agitated when Sanju Verma is speaking? Why do you get so agitated? You are a very consummate anchor. You are a highly popular anchor. Sanju Verma का जवाब सुनते साथ, आपकी हवाइयां उड़ जाती हैं भाई साहब. थोड़ा धैर्य रखिए. Now I will answer your question. Why not Rohit Pawar? Why not Ajit Pawar? Let me also add, why not Himanta Biswa Sarma? Why not Suvendu Adhikari? Why not Narayan Rane? Because these names keep cropping up. इनका जवाब मैं राजदीप सरदेसाई को तब दूंगी जब राजदीप सरदेसाई मुझे ये बताएंगे, डिस्पाइट बीइंग आउट ऑन बेल, लालू यादव राहुल गांधी के लिए मटन करी पकाते हैं, बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं, he engages in political machinations, और आज उनकी बेटी कहती है, अरे my poor father is under and look at the BJP, it is so ruthless. I want to ask you, Rajdeep, do you have the guts to ask Mamata Banerjee? She was saying Partha Chatterjee तो राजा हरिश्चंद्र का दूसरा अवतार है. Why is he still cooling his heels in the jail? Do you have the guts to ask Mamata Banerjee over a plate of rasgullas? Why is her Birbhum, Bahubali, Anubratta Mandal still behind bars? Can you ask Rahul Gandhi or a cup of tea or coffee or green tea, what have you? Why is it that his bail plea, obviously has been accepted, but his plea is to quash the probe against him in national
Okay,
herald scam.
you've
has
made
been
your
quashed
point.
by the Supreme Court.
No, I've given you now time. You haven't, though. You very cleverly, you're a very clever spokesperson. You've deflected completely from where I started off, but that's the right of a spokesperson.